In today's video tutorial, we'll be checking how the admin needs to set the basic mobile app configuration from the admin backend panel. We'll be taking you through the workflow of the same. For that, I'll have to take you to the admin backend panel. But before we proceed further, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So let's hop onto the admin backend panel. Let's see how the admin would be able to set the basic mobile app configuration from the admin backend panel itself. So we'll be logging into the admin backend panel by entering the username and the password. After login, we'll be navigating to stores, then configuration, and on the configuration page under the Webkul block, on the left hand side we have the Mobikul basic configuration settings. So you need to tap on the Mobikul there, and that will bring up the Mobikul basic configuration settings. And here we have different other settings that need to be set up. So the very first one is the Mobikul basic configuration. Then we have the FCM push notification parameters. Then we have Mobikul catalog search configuration, application download from website, and the Mobikul API cache settings. So we'll go through each of them one by one. So the very first one that we have here is the Mobikul basic configuration. So this section basically includes the basic configuration regarding the Mobikul initial requirement, wherein the admin can fill in the details related to the app itself. So here we have the very first option as the username. So here the admin needs to provide the username for the Mobikul, and this is used for connecting to the respective server. The username is required to be mentioned in the code and as well. Then we have the password. So here you'll have to provide the password for the Mobikul, and this will be used with the above username for connecting to the server, and the password is required to be mentioned in the code and as well. Then we have the collection page size. So as the label name of the field is self-explainable, here you need to set the number of products that you want to display on the collection page of your Mobikul application at a time. Then we have enable random featured products in home page. So here if the field is set to yes, then the featured products will be on a random basis. And kindly note, if the field is set to no, then the admin needs to enable is featured for Mobikul on the product page itself. And then we have the allowed CMS pages here. So whichever CMS pages have been enabled here would be visible within the mobile app as well. So the admin can select the CMS pages which they wish to display in the front end. So this was about the Mobikul basic configuration. Now coming to the FCM push notification parameters. So if the admin needs to set up the push notification feature for his Mobikul mobile application, then he must require the section fields to be set up. So here you need to enter the API key, and the admin needs to provide the server API key, which you will be able to get after the Firebase console registration. So you'll have to register on the Firebase and go to the Firebase console, and from there you will be able to get your Firebase or the Firebase cloud messaging key. That server key needs to be entered here. Then we have the Android topic. This will be used in sending the notifications on group basis on Android devices. Then we have the iOS topic. So this will be used in sending the notifications on the group basis onto the iOS devices. So the topic name which you will provide in this field will be the name of the group. So this will include all the mobile devices which have installed your application, and the topic name, as I've already told you, would be provided in this field. That is provided in this field will be the name of the group itself, and it will include all the mobile devices which have installed your application there. Now coming to the Mobikul catalog search configuration. So here the admin can also configure your Mobikul mobile app search. Hence the admin can configure the application search on the basis of the products and tags. So the very first option that we here have is the display tags in search. So if you want to display the tags in your Mobikul application search result, you need to choose this option as a yes, otherwise choose it as a no. Then you have the number of tags to display in search. Here you will set the limit on the number of tags that will be displayed in the search result, so you'll have to enter a numeric value. Then we have the display products in search. So if you want, you can display the products in your Mobikul application search result. So you'll have to choose a yes option to display the products in search. Then we have the number of products to display in search. Here you will set the numeric value, and you'll set the limit on the number of products that will be displayed in the search result. So whatever you have entered here, only those number of search results would be displayed within the mobile application there. Then coming to the application download from the website. So for the better connectivity, the website and the links can be interlinked by adding the app URL here, and however these could be modified as per requirement as well. So here the admin will enter the details like the very first one is the enable Android application download. So the admin can set it as a yes to make the Android app link visible on the website. Your application's Play Store link. So the admin can specify the link of the Play Store. Then we have the enable iOS application download. So if you set it as yes, then it would make the iOS app link visible on the website. Then you can set up the application's App Store application link. Then we have the enable top links. This will make the app links visible on the website at the top header. Then we have the enable bottom link, and this will make the app links visible on the website at the bottom. Then we have the choose download link theme. So the link of the apps will be visible on the lighter or the darker theme as per your own requirement that you have chosen from this particular section. And lastly, we have the Mobikul API cache settings, and this section is meant for the cache maintenance for any action taken on the mobile application. So here you can enable the cache, refresh the cache rate, and you can clear the cache. So under the enable cache here, you can choose a yes or a no option. So this is enabled to save the API cache data by setting it to yes. Then we have the refresh cache rate, and this will be the rate of hits after which the cache data will be cleared and refreshed. And lastly, we have the clear cache option, having a clear cache button. So this clears the cache data of the API on clicking the button itself. So yes, that was much about the backend configuration settings of the Mobikul mobile app there, and we just went through an overview of what different options are there, and this would have let you know what different options are there within the backend configuration of the Mobikul mobile app for the Magento 2 B2B multi-vendor mobile application there. And I hope that this video helped you out in understanding the flow there of the configuration. If you still have any questions, queries, or suggestions, then kindly do reach back to us at support@webkul.com, or you can raise a ticket at webkul.us.com. Apart from that, if you find this particular video, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.